And now, this was the first tree we trimmed, and it's all done. And so after getting it trimmed, the neighbor across the street wanted the same. So here's the after. This time of the year, you got to get your tree trimming done, because these storms will knock branches down and cause damage to your property. The damage to the property is going to be much more expensive than the cost of trimming your tree. So what you want to do is give us a call at 904-321-9181 and get a free quote, so we can go ahead and canopy up your trees so you don't have to worry when the wind and the rain show up, which they will undoubtedly just a few short weeks. Even we had a nice storm yesterday, lightning. So, but you don't have to be worried when you hear branches being blown by the wind, touching your roof. Kind of makes you uneasy. All you got to do, call a pro.